Here's how to connect your Discord account to Patreon without any confusion. First, head over to patreon.com and make sure you're logged in. Once you're in, click the three-line menu in the corner to open your account options. From there, go to Settings. Inside the settings, you'll see some tabs at the top. Swipe over until you find Connected Apps and click on it. You'll see Discord listed. Just click the Connect button next to it. This will open a new page where you'll be asked to log into your Discord account if you aren't already. Once you log in, you'll see a screen asking you to authorize the connection between Patreon and Discord. Go ahead and hit authorize. After that, you're done. Patreon will automatically link your account to the appropriate Discord server and apply any roles or access that match the tier you're subscribed to. If you have multiple Discord servers linked to your Patreon, make sure you select the correct one during the connection process. Sometimes Discord may ask you to verify your email or complete a two-factor authentication step before allowing the connection. Once linked, check your Discord server to confirm your role has been applied correctly. If it hasn't, simply refresh Discord, log out and back in, or ask the server admin to sync roles. Connecting Patreon to Discord is a great way to give your supporters exclusive perks, like private channels, early content access, or special badges, while making role management seamless and automated. This ensures everyone gets the correct access without manual adjustments, keeping your community organized and engaged.